Welcome, everyone, to a wonderful evening.
Ha! Ha! I meant to do that.
Behold, the sunset star, our finest treasure.
Careful, Inspector. Not too close.
What is happening over there? So sparkly. Just one look. Just one look. The sunset star! Where did it go? Where did it go?
Who did this? I will find out. Ah!
Inspector, that is my shoe, not a clue.
A clue! What does this feather tell us? Where were you standing before the smoke appeared?
Right beside the pedestal, Inspector.
What did you see near the curtains?
Only pink smoke, I promise, Inspector.
Stop! Stop! Are you the thief, little cat? Refreshing. Now, back to work.
Look, Inspector. Where does this trail go?
When did the trail begin, Sergeant?
Just over here, Inspector. Inspector, your hat is not a disguise.
When did you see the cloaked figure pass by?
Just before sunset, heading toward the clock tower.
Why would the thief come all the way here? Whoa! Who built these stairs so narrow?
There! Who is that, Inspector?
Oof! Where did that corner come from?
Why does the trail always circle back here?
What time will the thief return?
I just wanted to see it shine once more.
Aha! Who are you, really?
I am sorry. I only wanted to admire it a little longer.
Next time, simply ask. You may always look.
Well done, Inspector. Who knew you would solve it?
What is happening over there now?
Where is the sunset star? Repeat after me. Where is the sunset star?
One more time.
Where is the sunset star?
Who is the thief? Repeat after me. Who is the thief? One more time. Who is the thief?
The truth always shines brighter than gold. Repeat after me. One more time. The truth always shines brighter than gold.
What an amazing story! Welcome to our post-show.
Let's talk about the story. First question. What was stolen from the museum?
The answer is the sunset star. Did you know detectives always ask who, what, where, when, and why to solve a mystery?
2.
Where did Inspector Pommel follow the glitter trail?
It is the old clock tower. You are doing great. Last question. Who was really the cloaked figure?
The answer is Mr. Pindle, the shy museum janitor.
Exactly. And the main lesson here is always shines brighter than gold.
Did you learn new words today? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.
Please do not take me there.
My deliveries do not usually talk. Protect the delivery. Follow the time. Never change the route. Take this crate to the glass hall before sunset. I will arrive on time. I turn right at the fountain. The hall is across the river.
Turn left, please.
My route says right.
That crate must return to the depot!
The delivery is already moving.
Left, right, then straight ahead. I cannot see through your bubble!
Sorry.
Flowers do not say sorry. I do not open deliveries.
Then your third rule is a bad rule. My name is Mira. I need you to change the route.
No.
This flower guides the bees. They need it in the rooftop garden.
My destination is the glass hall.
The hall is near, but the garden is right.
The garden is far, and sunset is close.
The depot says the cargo is incorrect.
We must take it back.
I am still checking the delivery.
The flower needs open air. Inside the glass hall, the bees will lose the way.
Who changed the destination? The flower is the center of tonight's festival. Please bring it to the hall.
It will look beautiful, but it will not help the bees.
I learned that a delivery is a promise.
Then we must choose the right place. You changed the route.
I changed the destination. The wind is stronger here. Hold the crate with both hands.
I have it. I have it.
Small gap on the left. Bigger gap on the right.
The bigger gap is safer.
We are fine.
We are also dessert.
We are fine.
We are also dessert. Drive slowly for 5 seconds.
Slow can be faster than stopping.
The petals are going down.
We still have time.
The road is closed.
Then we need another road.
We planned a place for the flower. Please tell me what it needs.
It needs open air.
It must guide the bees to the garden. Let us show you. Look at the bees. They are showing us the right place.
I understand now.
You move the carts. We will clear the ribbons.
Work together. We are faster, faster together. We can open the road.
This time, follow us. Lead the way.
We arrived.
The delivery is complete.
A good rule should help a person.
And a good courier knows when to turn.
A new road?
First, we learn where it leads. Turn left, please. Repeat after me. Turn left, please. One more time. Turn left, please. Turn left, please.
We are faster together. Repeat after me. We are faster together. One more time.
We are faster together. A good rule should help a person. Repeat after me. A good rule should help a person. One more time. A good rule should help a person. What an exciting delivery! Welcome to our post show.
First question. What were Kellen's 3 rules?
Protect the delivery, follow the time, and never change the route.
A rule tells us what to do. Question 2. Why did Mira want to change the route? The flower had to guide the bees to the rooftop garden.
Had to means it was necessary. Last question. What did Kellen learn? He learned that following a rule is not always enough.
Exactly. A good rule should help a person.
Which sentence did you learn today? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next delivery.
Oh my! The books moved again! Every morning, the books are in new places. The books are in new places.
Who does this? Don't worry, Miss Odette. I know who can help us. Detective Fennel, we have a mystery.
Wonderful. Sit down, young detective. Tell me everything.
The books moved again, and I saw a blue light near the window.
A blue light. Interesting. Books that walk at night. My method is simple, Pip. I look, I listen, I ask.
No magic, Detective?
Look, Pip. Red, color order, not letters. Maybe our night visitor cannot read the words yet. Honey bread, fresh from last night. Tonight, Pip, we watch and we listen. You read late last night, Miss Odette. Blue ink on your finger.
And your lamp is still warm.
How do you know? Are you magic?
I love these books. Who moves them at night?
Don't worry. Look, no torn pages. Our visitor has kind hands.
Oh, it's Biscuit!
Rule 1, Pip. Look twice before you shout. Good morning, Henry, you last night, my friend.
Me? Baking! Only baking! Very busy. Goodbye.
Henri is kind but nervous. He is not hiding a lie, Pip. He is protecting a secret. And secrets that smell of honey are usually sweet. Think of a number, 1 to 5. You think of 3.
How? Detective, teach me everything.
You smiled at 3 fingers.
Good luck, detectives. Please be gentle with our visitor.
Gentle is my favorite method, Miss Odette.
I'm so excited, Detective.
Quiet eyes, quiet ears, young detective.
The blue light.
Watch, kind hands, remember? She loves the books, Pip. She loves them. Hello, little friend. We are not angry. We love books too.
I can't read the words. I only look at the pictures. The blue light. It's fireflies.
She is my granddaughter. She was too shy to come in the day, so I watched over her nights. Henri, your secret was kindness all along. I think this mystery has a very happy ending.
Case closed, Detective.
You sorted my books by color? It's beautiful.
This card is yours, Lila. For me? The cat sat. I read it. I read it.
You did, my dear. You did. This is Lila's corner now. Color order, her wonderful idea.
Green goes here.
The blue light, fireflies, the color shelves, a reader without letters yet, and the crumbs, a grandfather's love, fresh every night.
And so, the little fox found the way home.
Honey rolls! Warm honey rolls for every reader.
For you, Detective. Thank you.
Let's set them free together. Fireflies are happier free, like the truth. Remember, Pip, if you look with kind eyes, you will find the truth.
Kind eyes. Yes, Detective.
Pip, bring your magnifying glass. We have a new mystery. Where were you last night? Repeat after me. Where were you last night? One more time.
Where were you last night?
I saw a blue light near the window. Repeat after me. Blue light near the window. One more time. I saw a blue light near the window.
If you look with kind eyes, you will find the truth. Repeat after me. If you look with kind eyes, you will find the truth.
I saw a blue light near the window. Repeat after me. I saw a blue light near the window. One more time. I saw a blue light near the window.
Who is the junior detective? A. Pip, B. Lila, C. Henri. Was it A, B, Pip with his big magnifying glass?